If you want to add calling card to a contact on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to open the phone app. In the home page, we can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts. Now we can select the contact for which we want to add a calling card, and then tap on this pen icon in the top right corner. Here we have picture and calling card. We can tap on the calling card over here right next to the picture. You can either open a camera in order to take the photo. You can open the gallery, of course, and choose a photo as well. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We should be able to zoom in and zoom out if you want to. You can also change the text over here. So you can use a different font, for example. You can change the color as well. And there we go. Press done in the top right corner. And here we can also use the calling card as a picture, as the photo for the contact if you want to. So you can confirm and crop if you want to, or you can just skip that. And then remember to press save in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.